Guys, random is live now for the teams who preferred for tonight. It's 5:47:38 PM Melbourne time. Participants 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Yoink. Teams 7. Shebon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Sorts of teams: Van Houten Bucks, James Irvine, Grizz, Hodge Heat, Cannon Thunder, Charles Nuggets, Leah Nets, Wizards Coulson, Van Houten Pacers, Rockets Dale, Charles Pelicans, Lane Jazz, Van Houten Hornets, Lane Spurs, Coulson Wolves, Brett Eo, Hawks, Pistons Dale, Jay Atkins Blazers, Van Bulls, Celtics, Jared Broadbent Bowman, Lakers, Van Houten Cavs, Cannon Clippers, Lane Kings, Cam Raptors, Cannon Mavericks, Coulson Suns, Bowman Warriors, Lane Knicks, Charles Sixers, and Van Houten Magic, and that's it. Looks like Bowman killed it. Lakers and Warriors.